Hey guys, Bradshaw here. Now, electronics are great when it comes to fuel injection because your bike always has the proper air-fuel mixture ratio. Now, when it comes to suspension settings and making sure your bike functions appropriately off-road, if that fails while you're out there, that sucks. Now, even worse than that is your key. So KTM has this special orange key that they include in all of their packaging with their motorcycles. And supposedly what happens is the two keys that you get with the bike are already programmed to work with the bike. So these are the only two keys that will be able to function this motorcycle. Now, the other day I was out at a shoot and a coworker of mine borrowed this key and used it to be able to try to open a can or something and busted the tip completely off. As you can see here, this little tiny flat piece is supposed to be protruding. Well, that little flat piece is missing, and now my key will not go into the hole, which is a huge bummer. So I had to get this bike back to the shop in order to be able to go home and get my spare key. So I grabbed my spare key. This part sucks. Get back to my motorcycle, come back, insert the key, turn it on. I then go to hit my starter button, and guess what? Nothing. I'm noticing this red flashing light up here. This is the immobilizer button. This is what keeps your motorcycle from being stolen by anybody who has a key that's cut the same as yours. So as it appears, either my key lost its code or wasn't actually programmed at the dealership where this bike was purchased new at. Now, I got the bike used, so who knows what happened over the course of time. I mean, the original owner could have lost the key, got a second key cut, but never programmed it. So now, we get the opportunity to use the magical KTM orange key. Now, this key is kind of scary. I've read all kinds of stories about how this key not being used correctly has caused people's bikes to completely be defunct, essentially. You have to completely reflash the computer system in order to get it to work. So today I'm going to test the procedure that I've researched in my manual and from watching YouTube videos to see if I can't reprogram this key to be able to function. Again, the key is on in the on position. This red light always comes on to begin with, but the fact that this is flashing now is telling us that the bike is immobilized. As you can see, the kill switch is in the run position, the key is on, and absolutely nothing is happening here. So the process in order to program this key to be able to work on the motorcycle is to use the orange key. Orange key is going to go in. We're going to turn it on. What we're going to see here is instead of this red light flashing, as was happening with this key here, it is staying on solid. We're now going to turn that key off. We're going to remove it. We're going to put in the key that we want to program. We're going to let the bike cycle. And we're going to see that this is now staying solid red. Now I'm going to take that key out. I'm going to take my orange key, put it back in, turn it on. Now it should flash one time, and that should, or two times, sorry, it should flash two times. One time saying the orange key is the one flash, and then this key is the second flash. So there's now two keys that are now enabled to run this motorcycle. Let's go ahead and turn that orange key back off again. And we'll take our newly programmed key, throw that into the ignition, and as we see here, that red light is now gone. Yes, and the bike fires up. There you have it. If you need to program one of your spare keys or the original key that came from your bike that has been unprogrammed, this is how you do it. Step-by-step programming of your KTM key. The bike I'm using today is a 2016 KTM 1190 Adventure R. The programming is the same for all the KTM motorcycles. I'm Bradshaw. Thanks for watching. If you like this video today, give me a thumbs up. And if you want motorcycle content coming directly to your inbox, please hit that subscribe button, notification bell, so you can be part of the notification squad. Until next time, and as always, take care and ride safe out there.